Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find and view saved credentials on Windows 11. So for us to do that, you have to click on the window tab icon on your screen, then use the search bar and search for control panel. You can see this is it, control panel. Then you open it. Then you make sure you change your category. You can see right here, if yours is on category, just change it and change it to small icon. Then you come down here and click on Credential Manager. Then right here you can have access to, then you tap on this window credential. Then once you tap on it, all your window credentials that you have on your PC will be reviewed. And you also want web credentials, just tap on it and everything open. If you find it helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.